Alright, so we're gonna let it go. What's up, Goon Squad? We're out here at the trails and I'm doing a video today on a total expense video. I had a bunch of people requesting it, so I felt like this was a good place to do it out here on the trail. So we're gonna do a total expense video while we're wheeling. So we're gonna call it the Wheeling and Dealing Challenge. Alright, so we're gonna let it go. This 6-speed Rubicon Wrangler has 410 gear, so it crawls really slow. As you can see, there's nobody in there, but off she goes. Alrighty guys, this is a moment of truth here. We're going to tell you guys how much we paid for the Jeep. And from the auction, how much we paid for the Jeep was $10,938. There you have it. And with that said, the tax was around $850. Yeah, it was $850 exactly. So, and then also one of the most expensive expenses on the Jeep was the control arms. All around control arms. They're Core 4x4 brand and they were $1,000. Alrighty, one of the first expenses we got was the adjustable track bar and the axle shaft. The axle shaft was $200 and the rear adjustable rock track bar was $150. So we're going to try one of these steeper trails here.
No lockers right here.
Go ahead and lock it.
Alright, now I'm going to lock it. Hold on, let me get a little bump. Let me get a little bump. Get another little bump.
What's the culprit?
The culprit is, the ground is frozen. It is, let me tell you the degrees. It's 29 degrees. So I'm going to give it a little bump, see if I can make it up there.
Not gonna do it?
One more try, then I'm done. I've tried this with 35s before. Haven't tried it with, I think these are 33s.
A little bit under 32s.
Alright, well I'm gonna bump it one more time.
And that's all the 32s are gonna handle right there. Alrighty guys, so we found a stopping point here on the trails, and to tell you a little bit more about the expenses. Okay, so here we got the inner fenders, which were $350, and also we got all 4 Fox shocks, 2.0 performance shocks, which were also $350. And for these fenders, they're pretty cheap, only $125 for all 4 of them, all the way around. Okay, over here on the rear end, we got this aftermarket rear bumper, which was $220. We got this rear rim because one of our rims was damaged, so this one was $125. We got a good deal on that. And up front over here, we did purchase a new fender, so this is a completely repainted fender. So this fender was $130. For all the paint work on the Jeep, we paid $110. So we did the paint ourselves if you see our earlier videos, so that's why it was so cheap on our part. All right, so we're gonna head a little bit further up the trail, and at the top, I'll be revealing the grand total. Because there's a bunch of thorns and stuff. Not about that scratch life on that fresh paint job. So he's taking care of that stuff on these narrow trails, but we're about to reach the top. Alrighty guys, so we made it to the top of the mountain here. As you can see in the view right there, it's Lookout Mountain. We got Raccoon Mountain over there. And you see them 2 ponds over there, that's the entrance to where we crawled from at the very beginning. That's the very bottom. So we made it to the top, and this is where I was going to reveal the grand total, which was right under $15,000. I got the piece of paper here which shows the complete list. So you can see there, that's the whole list, and the exact total was $14,948, which is a very good deal for a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This whole project has been a great experience. We learned so many new things. We put control arms on a Jeep for the first time of this model here. It's a 2013, so it was fun working with this new build. We learned how to do inner fenders. We learned how to paint, so that was awesome. We're still learning a lot of new things, so here in the new videos, we're still gonna learn a lot more, and we're gonna let you see right there with us.
All right, for me guys, this was a really great experience. This is a big learning process for me and my brother, and we've did so much to it. There's more to come. We're thinking about more projects in the future. We have our mind twisted around a lot of projects. We're looking from trucks to Jeeps to cars. Please like and subscribe and share, and let our content go out so we can do more builds like this and more rides and whatever. There's plenty of opportunities, and let us know how y'all like this build so far. We still want to learn on how to record, on how to edit. We're still all in the process of this. We're getting better equipment. We're still building up, and we're going to be better here soon.
Alrighty guys, this has been a super fun build here. We're gonna have much more builds coming here soon. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know what you think I should get next. And also follow my Instagram at Goon Squad to get daily updates or weekly updates whenever I post, just of what's gonna come here in the future. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. All right guys, so we're pretty much done with this video, so we're gonna start heading back down the mountain.
Sideways. Slowly. All right, cut right. There you go. Now keep down that path.
We are Gucci.
Alright guys, we just got down to the bottom of the mountain. We're headed back. There goes Lookout Mountain, there goes Raccoon Mountain.